Hello guys, welcome back. It's your boy Rack, and today we'll be discussing the TICWATCH and why I switched back from the TICWATCH to our very much loved Galaxy Watch 4. This is currently out of battery, but we'll find a charger to pop it on later on. But obviously, as you guys, as a lot of my long-term subscribers would know, I've been rocking the Galaxy Watch 4 for a very long time, and I've had to take a leave for medical school exams, during which I actually switched over to the TICWATCH for several reasons that I will probably detail in a video that I will hyperlink here when it does get posted, of why I switched from the Galaxy Watch 4 to the TICWATCH Pro 3 Ultra. But that's not this video. This video is about why I switched back from the TICWATCH Pro 3 Ultra, which many of you guys would know to be an absolute banger of a watch. It's got insane battery life and Google Assistant, throwing that one in there. We all know what happened with that on the Galaxy Watch 4. So I had to make the switch to the TICWATCH just to check it out and give you guys my opinion on whether this was worth the switch. So if you guys would like to know that, hit the subscribe button and I will be getting that video up really soon. Let's talk about why I switched over to the Galaxy Watch 4. First and foremost, let's talk about the size. The TICWATCH comes in one size only. It's quite big, so I didn't think it would be a problem because I'm quite used to oversized watches, as I do rock many G-Shocks. But it turned out that the TICWATCH has, I don't know how to describe it, but I think because of the edges hanging off my wrist, it has a somewhat larger feel than I thought it would be. But it is quite big. In most cases, it works absolutely fine, but I do notice it a lot more than for example the Galaxy Watch 4, as that would sit flush on my wrist. So that is one, but not the main reason I switched back from the TICWATCH. So to know the main reason, let's head over from London to Norwich, because that's where I actually have footage of me demonstrating the main gripe I had. Here, one of the main advantages we can spot instantly with the Galaxy Watch 4 is the fact that it actually tracked the pauses, the auto pauses, when I stopped for a little break or anything else for that matter. So having a pause and play feature is quite important, because I do tend to pause on my cycle routes quite often to try and just have a glimpse of, you know, the world around me, because I often explore new places. So for me, the Galaxy Watch 4 kind of knows it on the head there. I'm not sure if that's a feature that's present here. I could take a look, but yeah, I'll probably update if there is. But for now, the Galaxy Watch definitely has the bag for this one. So guys, the third and fourth things are actually two features, which are the ECG and the body composition feature. The ECG feature is something I thought I saw TICWATCH advertising, which is what led me to eventually getting it. But it turns out that the TICWATCH does not actually have an ECG feature, but it's more mimicking an ECG feature, as there's no actual electrodes on the buttons. But what it does is assesses the heart rate and the time intervals between each heartbeat in order to detect potential atrial fibrillation. As some of you may know, atrial fibrillation is a heart condition that may have life-threatening consequences, which is the reason I feel it's so important to have and to monitor in a watch. Last but not least, regarding the body composition feature, I found that only when I stopped using it, I discovered how useful it really was, as my body weight does not vary very much, but what does vary is what makes up that weight, and monitoring that can be quite significant. So that concludes today's video, and for many more tips and tricks, information on new watch releases such as the Galaxy Watch 5, and whether I will be switching over to the Galaxy Watch 5 from the Galaxy Watch 4, hit the subscribe button and tune in for that. Little spoiler alert, I have a feeling that the Galaxy Watch 4 will be staying on my wrist a little while longer, but we'll find out. So yeah, thanks again for watching. This is Rack signing out.